Hi guys, thanks for joining another video. I just wanted to point out this burnt home. This is another great opportunity to provide housing for areas that deeply need housing. Unfortunately, this family was involved in a fire, and I hope that nobody was harmed in this fire. They left a lot of belongings and a lot of personal belongings, and it looks like they left in a rush, and I just feel really bad for them. However, this is what we do. We take these kind of homes and we renovate them. We make them new again. And I love doing this because there's nothing more than people need aside from shelter, right? We need homes. This is the whole cause. We provide housing, we renovate homes, and we make it readily available for the next family that wants to reside in it. So here we are walking around the property. That was a big dumpster. We actually went through about 6 40-yard containers. There was a lot of trash, a lot of rubble, a lot of debris. So we had to go in there and clean it right away. As you can see, the stucco is a fire retardant or a fire deterrent. As you can see, the paint was still on there. It held up, and that's because it's rock, it's concrete. If you check out the areas around it, you'll see that the soffits, they caught on fire because it was just so dang hot. Just the sheer heat ignited the surrounding wood. As you can see, the frames too in the other video frames. So buying a stucco home is always a good deal. So here I am just walking around and showing you what the potential benefits of the property are, like concrete around the perimeter. That way you can extend a house, or it's better to walk around in because you don't want to get your feet all muddy. As you can see, the roof collapsed as well. It was very hot in there. And see what else. The next door neighbor was untouched by the fire. That's a good thing. It was very isolated. The fire department did an awesome job. Thank you, firefighters. Here's an example of the sheer heat just igniting wood. And as you can see, the stucco remained. So it's a total rebuild. This project is a total rebuild. We had to get some architects and engineers involved in order to facilitate this project, get the city involved, get the permits, get the building permits. And it was just a lot of work, It was a great opportunity, and we love doing this type of thing in the Imperial Valley area as well as Tucson. And this is what gets me excited. I love doing this. I love doing this for people. This is my cause, and I hope you enjoyed me sharing it with you. Thank you.